Are you ready to become 1% elite in the whole world in 8 billion people? If so, then listen me carefully. I know these people are using some kind of lessons or some kind of secrets into their lives. If you want to become 1%, then you need to keep your finances very good or in order, and as well as apply those secrets or lessons into your life. If you want to keep your finances good, you must save, invest, and leave it to grow. If you are ready, I am going to tell you few lessons in this video so that you also become 1% elite in the whole world. 1. Compounding. Compounding is a magic. As Einstein said once, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Invest as well as reinvest your returns or your profits. Then the heavy lifting over time. It will provide you the incredible results. 2. Diversify your portfolio intelligently. Spread your investments in different portfolios for safety or security. In case of any unusual happening in the market, then this is the insurance which will keep you safe. So it's diversification of your total capital or total portfolio. 3. Stay disciplined. Success in investing is not all the time being right, but staying disciplined. All the time stay disciplined is the key to move forward, make growth in your capital. Stay disciplined is not even necessarily in investing, but as well as it is very essential in all walks of life for success purpose. So in this video, I told you the 3 lessons. 1. Compounding. 2. Diversification. 3. Stay disciplined. If you apply these lessons in your life from today, then within the short time you will feel in your financial life will revolutionized. It will better. So my request to you is learn like these videos, vlogs, lectures, online or offline. Is up to you. This will enhance your finances outstandingly. Thank you.